Hello, on behalf of Expert Village, my name is Joe. I own the VUG local jewelry store in Salt Lake City, Utah. I was going to kind of show what a semi-mount is. A semi-mount is basically when you go to a jeweler and maybe you have your own stone, or maybe you are a jeweler or feel that you can maybe set a stone on your own. Basically, there's companies, wholesale companies and retail companies that sell stones with that, or that sell rings and mountings without the mounting or without the stones. This is a pendant setting. It shows it here from side view and front view without the stones. You can buy these very affordable, and with a little bit of practice on stone setting, you can set your own stone and save a lot of money. Basically, here's ring settings. These all come without the stones. Basically, you're just paying for the metal. You're not paying for the stones. You're not paying for the labor. This is a great alternative, especially for kind of your do-it-selfers, your hobbyists that don't want to go through the painstaking wax work of carving this cluster ring with 24 little diamonds on here. This is a great way of getting yourself a really nice piece of jewelry without going through all the labor. From pendants to rings to earrings to bracelets. Most every jeweler has these books. They also have findings books that you can get parts like crowns, pieces of chain, earring backs, whatever you like. But this is a great alternative to making the piece yourself.